This segment of Montana Full Circle is brought to you by the Montana Department of Agriculture and Ravalli County Weed District.
One of those things when you go hunting, I always keep my eyes open for what's around me, and once again here we come across another invasive species here in Montana. It's called Dalmatian Toadflax. Left unchecked, it just takes over. You'll notice the snapdragon type flower. It was initially established here in Montana as an ornamental around houses that has gotten loose and wild. It's got an extensive root system, really hardy leaves, and is really hard to get rid of. With having invasive plants like this Dalmatian toadflax on the landscape, we reduce our natural forage quality for our deer and our elk, our turkeys and other species. A species like this is unpalatable and doesn't get used for anything. Gone unchecked, we will lose our native diversity and we'll lose the food composition for our future generations. Being ranchers or farmers or land managers, it's not always the invasives that we need to worry about. Natives as well can have toxic properties. This here is Death Camas, and it is extremely toxic to livestock, horses, cows, wildlife. I cannot express enough how important it is to know your native flora and fauna. Death Camas has already caused multiple deaths of cows this year, so it's really important to know what species you have on your property, not just invasives, but also the natives that are toxic.
For more information about noxious weeds and vegetation management, contact the Montana Department of Agriculture or your local noxious weed department.